Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually add a Biss key on your Newmaxs decoder. So this the Newmaxs X 2022 HD decoder. So we have different ways of adding a Biss key on each and every decoder, and Biss key is just a basic interoperable security system that they use to place on pay-to-view decoder, so or the pay-to-view channel. So if you want to have access to it, all you got to do is to have a newer software running on your decoder. You scan to get the channel working, and then you add a Biss key to actually let it work. So all you got to do, if you want to add a Biss key on a particular channel on your Newmaxs decoder, all you have to do is to actually pick up your remote, and then you scan for that particular channel, you place it on it. So let's say this new world sports right here, and after placing it on that particular channel, on the screen here, when we place it like this, you will not get access to place or add the Biss key. So you press OK on that particular channel for the channel list to also appear on the screen, and then you press on the zero button on the remote for the Biss key menu to pop up. So here all you have to do is to add the Biss key. So the right Biss key that you're supposed to add to unlock that particular channel, then you key in exactly as I'm doing. You add your keys right there. So after adding the keys, and as you can see, you have some command down below: delete for the yellow button and the blue to confirm. So after adding the right Biss key on the right channel, all you got to do is to press on the blue button on the remote to actually confirm, and you are good to go. So that's it. If it's supposed to be a working Biss key for that particular channel, the channel is supposed to open up and you are good to go. So if you are new here on this channel and today is the first time watching this video or any video on my channel, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back home. Thanks for watching.